Guys, this is my brook after a day of non-stop rain. It's just letting up a little, and the brook is completely filled to the brim. This is like insane. I mean, look over there. Usually there's an island, and you can see the island, but it's never covered like that. This is how crazy my backyard gets after a huge rainstorm. Just keeps going and going and going, and crap, it's full. Let's see if we can get a closer look. And make sure to be super careful. Steps here. Crap. This is insane, guys. I've never seen it this full before. Normally I can walk right down. This is nuts. Look at this. Ugh. We should have washed that away. Skunk cabbage. The smell is where it gets its name, if you don't know. Ugh. Dang. Look at this. The crap. That's actually white water. And a tree fell down. That tree wasn't there before. Rain on the East Coast. When it hits big. Like that's it. It makes it beautiful. Ow. So guys, look at this. This spot here, this whole spot here, is never filled up. This is the first time ever I've seen it this full. This is insane. Like insane and so crap. I just realized something. I might have a flooding problem again. So I'm gonna leave you guys with this image, and I will check back with you later. I need to make sure my room's okay. Bye.